Welcome to our channel. If you're a pharmacy undergraduate aiming to make a mark in the pharmaceutical industry, understanding good manufacturing practices and regulatory requirements is essential. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to learn GMP, grasp regulatory frameworks, and get certified. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly are good manufacturing practices or GMP? GMP are the guidelines that ensure products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. They are designed to minimize risks involved in pharmaceutical production that cannot be eliminated through testing the final product. Understanding the regulatory framework is equally important. Regulatory bodies like the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the European Medicines Agency, EMA, enforce these GMP standards. Familiarize yourself with their roles and guidelines as a foundational step. Your pharmacy curriculum is your starting point. Pay close attention to courses covering pharmaceutical manufacturing, quality control, and regulatory affairs. If your program offers elective courses in these areas, make sure to enroll in them. They provide in-depth knowledge that's crucial for your future career. Supplement your academic knowledge with online courses and certifications. Learning Path offer GMP certification programs. These courses cover the essentials of GMP, quality management systems, and regulatory compliance. Consider obtaining certifications in regulatory affairs as well. Organizations like the Regulatory Affairs Professional Society, or RAPS, offer recognized certifications that validate your understanding of global regulatory requirements. Don't overlook the importance of workshops and seminars. These events offer interactive learning experiences and the latest industry insights. Be sure to stay informed about events hosted by pharmaceutical companies, industry associations, or educational institutions. PharmaMax.org frequently organizes such events, and webinars provide a convenient opportunity to learn from experts, right from the comfort of your home. Theory is important, but nothing beats hands-on experience. Seek internships in pharmaceutical companies where you can observe GMP in action. On-the-job training will give you a practical understanding of how these principles are applied in real-world settings, enhancing your learning significantly. Dive into official GMP guidelines and regulatory documents. Familiarize yourself with the FDA's current Good Manufacturing Practice regulations, EMA's guidelines on GMP, and the World Health Organization's GMP guidelines. Studying case studies of GMP violations can also provide valuable insights into the importance of compliance. Networking is key. Join professional associations like the Regulatory Affairs Professional Society (RAPS) or the International Society for Pharmaceutical Engineering (ISPE). Membership often provides access to exclusive resources, networking opportunities, and certification programs. If you're aiming for formal certification, dedicated preparation is crucial. Utilize study guides, take practice tests, and perhaps join study groups. Mock exams can help assess your readiness and highlight areas needing further study. The pharmaceutical industry is ever evolving. Stay updated by attending refresher courses, reading industry journals, and participating in ongoing professional development. As you advance in your career, consider pursuing advanced certifications to keep your expertise relevant and competitive. Lastly, connect with professionals in the field. Networking can open doors to opportunities and provide guidance. Finding a mentor experienced in GMP and regulatory affairs can offer personalized advice, helping you navigate your career path more effectively. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to understand and apply good manufacturing practices and navigate the complex world of regulatory requirements. This knowledge not only enhances your resume, but also prepares you for a successful career in the pharmaceutical industry. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Jumpstart your career, join our training program. We're thrilled to announce the launch of our exclusive WhatsApp group for college graduates and students transitioning from academics to industry. This vibrant community is your gateway to hands-on tips, expert advice, and personalized consultations, all aimed at guiding your career journey. Become a part of our Pharma Professional Network, Alliance for Pharmaceutical and Life Sciences, and connect with industry leaders.